Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So this is the 12.4-inch model. So they do the standard Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, which is the 11-inch, but it's an LCD display. This is fully AMOLED. Pretty much other than that, and the screen size is, the rest is pretty much all the same. There's a battery difference. I think the S7 standard one is 7,000, this one is 10,000 milliamps of battery. So let's just get looking at it. So looking at the front, you get this nice little display, you get an image of the tablet, and you get the back. As you know, with the S7 Plus and the standard S7, you get the S Pen. So they've updated the S Pen on here. That's, I guess, another difference between the standard and the Plus. This has a 9 millisecond latency in using, and looking at other people's reviews, you can see it. So as you can see, you get this nice gloss texture at the front saying Tab S7 Plus, and you've got the Samsung logo in the top corner. And then just looking around, as you can see here, you just get an image of how thin it is. Again, nothing on this side, and then at the back it's just plain. So let's just open it up. So what my plan is, guys, is I'm just going to quickly unbox this, and then once I've set it up, I'm going to do a few parts to this, where I'm going to show you the top accessories that you would need. So some are going to be mandatory accessories, say, that are required for this product, and others will be extras that you can get. And then I'm also going to show you what I've installed and what I've downloaded onto here and how I've set mine up. So lift the box. So this product here retails for £799, and the specs of this are, this is the 128 gigabyte model of storage, and it has 6 gigs of RAM. In the UK, I have not been able to source the 8 gigs of RAM, which has 256 gigabytes of storage or 512 gigabytes of storage. This uses the latest, not the 888, which ain't out yet, but it uses the 650 Snapdragon 7nm chip. And other than that, the rest of it has the 120 refresh rate, and it has a Super AMOLED HDR10 Plus display. It's a 12.4 inch display and a screen to body ratio of 84.6. So let's just look at it. So it comes in this nice little pouch. It's just a protective cloth. You will need to remove that to use it, and it just shows you where the S Pen goes in the back. Let's put this to one side for now. So what do you get in the box? So other than the tablet, you get your S Pen here. It's quite a nice S Pen. As you can see, my hands are standard size, and it feels like a normal size of a normal pen. It's very light, and I love this color. So this is the Mystic Bronze. Okay. You get a charger. So with this tablet, you can charge up to 45 watts, but they only give you the standard fast charger, which I think is their 15 to 18 watt charger, same as my phone. It's a shame that they don't now give you the optimal chargers that's required. They just, I guess, trying to make as much money as possible. And then you get your Type-C to Type-C cable. No, you get your Type-C to USB cable. I was really hoping it was a Type-C to Type-C, but I guess it's not. And then you get this box here, which is the SIM injection tool. but my one's the Wi-Fi model, so it's just for the memory card. And other than that, I'm just guessing it's gonna have, oops, I've ripped the box guys already. Yeah, it's just a warranty and quick startup guide. So that's about it. And that's it guys, so that was a quick unboxing. Now let's just quickly look at the tablet itself. So to open this case open, can't just rip it, it's quite a strong cloth. Need to peel this off. I like the attention to detail in the packaging. And here we have the tablet itself. As you can see, this is a gorgeous tablet, huge. Here's my hands against it. Doesn't feel too heavy. Very thin. It's got the proprietary pins at the bottom to connect a keyboard cover. And you can't pretty much see anything else. You've got your speaker grills here and on here. You have your charging port here and another 2 speaker grills, so this comes as 4 speaker grills. And then at the top you have your SIM card or memory card and your volume and power rocker. So let's just quickly look at the color. As you can see, here's the camera and this is where the S Pen will sit. Let's put the S Pen in. It should be magnetized. So as you can see, it just locks in. It just goes into place like so. And that's it guys, this was a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Stay tuned, I'll be doing a lot more videos on this. I've got a big project for this one. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Peace out.